Hello, my name is Brian Mosqueda, and I am the Media Specialist here at Chandler High, and I'm your point of contact for any Infinite Campus related questions. So a common question that I've received from teachers lately is, how do I hide dropped students from my gradebook? Well, at the start of the school year, it's normal for students to add or drop classes as schedules get finalized. However, Infinite Campus doesn't always automatically remove dropped students from your gradebook view. Fortunately, there is a setting that you can adjust to hide them. Now, this is important because leaving dropped students visible can lead to accidental grading issues and confusion. So in this video, I'll show you how to fix that in just a few clicks. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is from the login menu here from the Teaching Center, I'm going to go down here to My Account, and I'm going to click it, and it will take you to, there's several different options here. I'm going to go down here to Settings, and I'm going to click on Instruction Settings. But once you're here in Instruction Settings, there's a couple of different options you have. So for student display, for this particular video, to hide drop students, you're going to want to check this box right here, Show Active Students Only. So you make sure that box is clicked, and then you're going to hit Save. You can also keep some of these other settings if you want to as well too. For example, I like this one here, show pass-fail coloring for grades. So if a student is passing, then in the gradebook they're going to show up as green, or if they're not passing your class, they're going to show up in red. It's just a quick way of determining who is passing, who's not. Same thing for show pass-fail for coloring for scores for different assignments, as well as showing student pictures or showing student numbers. So all of these are just different settings that you can click and hopefully make your Infinite Campus a little bit more user-friendly and custom tailored to your preferences. All right, if you have any questions, you can reach out to me anytime. All right, thanks.